Huamao Electronics were founded in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, China, which is a comprehensive enterprise mainly focused on manufacture, sale, and export of wire and cable-related products, such as all kinds of custom wiring harness, automotive wire harness, RF cable, electronic wire assembly, computer cable, medical cable, data cable, power, battery, booster, jumper cable, connectors, etc. Huamao Electronics mainly focus on wire and cable supply chain solutions, wire harness component sourcing and assembly, wire processing gauge from 40 AWG to 30 AWG, and we have cooperation with many connectors original brands. We can provide the connectors you need according to the part number you provided. Our customers are from America, Canada, Australia, Japan, Europe, the Middle East, South Asia, etc. Our object is to base upon honesty, sell excellent quality, and serve for customers. We have passed the ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 certificates. We have established a wire harness testing lab, including wire and cable pulling force testing, high and low temperature testing, SR flexing test, housing insertion test, two-dimensional measuring. We strictly choose eligible suppliers. All raw materials will make a spot check before storing them in a warehouse, guaranteeing all materials are good as the customer required. We put many inspection staff in every processing step, making sure that every link is correct as instructors. When finished, we make a Foley test, which means we will test all products one by one. When the customer informs us of shipping out the goods, the OQC depth will make a final spot check. Companies adhering to the customer first do everything we can to help you customize any type of wire harness, connectors, and cables. Welcome calls or emails. Let us work together, hand in hand to connect the world, connecting the future.